Hello YouTube, we are going to blow this apple up. Oh yeah, with some black cats.
No, a black cat, right?
Yeah, a black cat.
Or three? Maybe?
No, just...
No, three. Let's do three. Oh, is this one already been blown up? Let's just light all the fuses together.
Wait, we have to...
You have to dig them in deep. Don't, this one's wet.
Talk on, aim it on the...
Is it still going?
I'll hold you.
Yeah.
I can do it.
Alright. Alright.
You're gonna have to hold it. Here. Hold the flash. I'll hold the camera. Or do you wanna?
Alright. Guys, back
Are
up.
they all together?
Yeah.
Alright, ready? I'm about to light it. Here, watch out, guys. Go. What? No, move back. Come on. There.
Oh crap, it's gonna...
It's still going, wait. Oh! Let's see if it did some damage. Oh, it blew some, opened it a little bit more. Thought it was gonna do more than that.
I did too.
It's too strong.
Yeah,
We need to put it inside. Oh.
You have to put like 5.
Got cool stuff.
I got some stuff out.
Alright, I got it. Check. Okay, back up.
Wait.
Oh, come on, start. Wait for it. Wait for it.
Come on.
It's dead. It's dead, Garrett. Alright, is this one good?
Oh, I got one. I found one. A good one right here.
We just take them in all the way. That's what she said.
You guys have any more?
Yeah.
Tie them together. Stick this one.
Let's go. Okay.
Alright. Holy. Gary, oh, I have a good idea. Point it down.
Point it down?
Yeah, point the apple down. Well, actually, when you get the fuse like this, light it like that, and then run away.
Alright.
So that it actually goes like poof. How do you pause it? Let's find one.
Alright, you just want to light on fire, I guess.
I don't think that will light on fire. Oh, here. This one doesn't have a fuse, but
Oh, really?
yeah.
Oh, we can put the black powder.
No, but look, this one has one.
We can put the black powder in.
Oh, you have to put like a lot of black powder.
Alright, just pour it all in there.
Wait, there's more.
Garrett, you're not even pouring it in the hole.
No. Don't go in the hole because it's going to get all wet.
Wait.
Hey, come, put the light on here.
No,
Put the light.
there's
Colin,
more.
put the
There's
light.
more.
Someone
Colin,
put the light on it.
light.
More.
I said put the light, Kelton.
I'm gonna take out the...
You just squeeze it, Kelton. It's not that hard. You? Oh, look at that black powder right there.
Oh. Yummy.
Don't light it.
Here, get some from the ground, right there.
Colin. Alright.
Alright, put the flashlight on the...
Dude, back up.
Yeah,
Colin,
back
right
up.
there.
Here, wait, come get it.
Look at all that black powder. Alright. Ready? Guys, back up.
Alright, we covered it in... It's just gonna... Put the flashlight on it, Colin.
It's like a little fart. Hello YouTube, we're now going to be shooting the apple because it just won't blow up.
It won't blow up with the stupid firecrackers. Garrett, watch out. Don't shoot the plastic so it ricochets. Oh yeah, that's good. No, not from that close. Go back on there.
I just want to shoot it and bounce it up into my body.
Then put it on the ground instead.
That's still going to do it. Guys, look.
I'm missing it. Are you out? Let me try.
I want to get closer with it, but this one. This camera doesn't see well.
I know.
I
Come on, go away. Close your eyes. Wait. Hold, don't. Alright, go.
Can I get it?
That's it. That's enough.
Can I get one more? Here, can I?
One shot.
Yeah, 1 second. Holy crap, there's a mouse in there.
Oh, Jesus Christ.
Alright.
Here, watch out. Let me go.
Smash the apple.
Ew. That's gross.
That thing is nice.
Oh, there's a leftover firecracker from earlier. Colin, you want some?
No.
Oh, wait, some.
Going after.
Oh my god, there's some there's a cracked BB in here. How did that get cracked?
Probably bounced before. Man, that's disgusting right there.
I'll actually eat some.
Really?
It's fresh. Yeah. Yeah.
Yep, now you're playing.
Yummy.
Yep, now you're playing.
Some yummy apples.
Alright.